Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with Rucha, who has a brand called Work in Progress, which is one of the most fantastic brand I have come across till now. Rucha is upcycling the products. She's designed some amazing outfits out of torn saris and throwaway materials and some chindis. So Rucha, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So Rucha, do you want to tell my viewers about what exactly this brand Work in Progress is all about?
So this is one of our client gave us her son's pant. So this jacket has been made out of pant. You can see the whole thing what we have made. We've purposely kept the belt over here, the pockets, and it is this entire piece has been made out of the pant what she gave us.
Very interesting.
We make sure that the finishing also goes well inside, and every the details what.
And this finish is done from the waste fabric which you
Yes,
get
yes,
into
yes.
your studio.
Yes. This is one. This is another piece. It takes this piece has been created by stitching a lot of pieces together, and we did applique on it and little handwork. There's so much of stitching going. We try to create an art piece that you can wear. This piece has been complemented with Kala cotton. This Kala cotton lining inside and outside.
Yeah, very nice. So Rucha, I see some very interesting pieces on your table. So do you want to explain to my viewers about what exactly is this and how you created it?
So this is like a back charmer hanging. You can hang it anywhere. You can put it on your pants and however you want to style it. So the best part about this is we have used all the small fabric waste. We have stuffed that inside, and then we created this entire piece. So the stuffing what you see inside is cotton fabric, whatever waste we had. So we created like a small back charmers out of this, whatever best what you can do. This is a shades cover what we created.
Yeah.
You can just keep your shades inside, soft glasses. And all of this is made with the waste what we get.
Yeah.
These are those accessories.
Okay.
From accessories what we made, we given a small pocket also that you can keep little cash if you want to keep it inside. Utility based. This is one neck piece. You can wear it like a hairband.
Yeah.
And however, sometimes people style it like a belt also if they want.
Yeah, very interesting.
These are those small bags what we created out of our waste. You can you can put a chain over here of your choice, or you can just use it, hang it in your hand like this. So we try to make products, as many products we can create.
So Rucha, do you want to tell my viewers about your Kala cotton collection and show some designs?
So we usually give preference to comfort fit, and we make it like a utility base. So this dress, we made it with an idea that in the morning when you go out for the work, you can wear it loose, and in the evening you can just add a belt and it becomes like an evening dress also. We have used a lot of waste, like what we get out of our stitching waste. We create textures out of that a lot of times. See, this has been made only out whatever stitching waste we have.
Very nice.
We promote handwork, so all our pieces will have little handwork details everywhere. Like this bag, we have made this bump pouch. It's like a side pouch only over here, and we given a small details. Everything will have a little handwork details in it. We have menswear also. We create menswear shirts, and we've created recently these unisex kimonos for them.
Yeah, very interesting. And these are some of the other jackets?
These are our this fabric was donated to us from different designers. We have created jackets, bomber jackets, long boyfriend jackets out of it. So as you can see, we have used the zero waste technique over here and created a texture, and we give a finishing inside. It doesn't it feels beautiful from both the sides. This is another piece where we have used rich Indian silk fabric, and instead of giving a texture, we have used stripes on it and created a kimono jacket. So this is a jacket where you can adjust the size. There's a belt, there's a string going on throughout, and you can adjust it to the size, whatever size. So
interesting.
You can we make it a point that you share your clothing with your friends and family, and what we used to do previously. This is another style what we use, another technique of laser cutting, and then we have stitched everything with a far taka and created this entire
That's again a
version.
handwork, right?
Yes, handwork.
And you use some mirror work as well.
Yes, the mirror work as well.
It is, I think it is a great initiative, Rucha, that you are giving work to our artisans in India, as well as you are upcycling all the products and you are curtailing on the waste. Really impressed.
So every small details has been taken care of, from the hanging and everything. So the whole idea is to just promote handwork and artisans, and they constantly give them work and try to create a zero waste fashion for people and for brands also, because going zero waste is not easy at all. So that's why we have different products where brands can come and donate us. They can get it done, like bags, accessories, whatever they want to make for them, because we're creating a team to find solution in this direction.
So I am here with Rucha at her studio. It is a fantastic studio. Rucha, thank you so much for being on this platform and giving me this interview. You have a fantastic brand. Keep up the good work. If you're viewing my channel for the first time, do subscribe to my channel. We have amazing girls like Rucha on this platform on a regular basis. Thank you.
Have a good day.